Samsung is gearing up to introduce a fresh color option for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and it looks like yet another shade of black is on the horizon. A recent teaser from Samsung India hints at this upcoming edition, stating the power will be in your hands soon. Get ready to embrace a whole new shade of style. Alongside this message, the teaser includes images of black luxury items such as a diamond ring and an analog watch, strongly suggesting that Samsung is preparing to unveil a third black variant for its flagship device. Currently, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is available in titanium black and titanium jet black, making this new edition an interesting choice. While the official name and specific details remain unknown, many are speculating about what might set this variant apart from the existing black options. It could feature a unique finish or texture, giving it a distinct identity. Another key question is whether this new shade will be a global release or if it will be exclusive to certain markets such as India. As of now, Samsung has not provided confirmation, but given the teaser, an official announcement is likely coming soon. The Galaxy S25 Ultra made its debut on January 22nd, with the official release following on February 7th. This year's model brought some design refinements, notably smoother, rounded edges replacing the sharper corners of its predecessor. However, in terms of performance and battery life, it remains quite similar to last year's version. The device features a stunning 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 1440x3120 and a refresh rate of 120 Hz, ensuring a crisp and fluid viewing experience. Under the hood, the US variant is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy processor, paired with 12 GB of RAM and storage configurations starting from 256 GB and going up to 1 TB. One of the standout aspects of the S25 Ultra is its powerful camera system. The main sensor is an impressive 200 megapixels, accompanied by a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto lens, a 10 megapixel telephoto camera, and a 50 megapixel ultra-wide sensor. For selfies and video calls, the front-facing camera comes in at 12 megapixels, housed in a small punch-hole cutout. Powering the device is a 5,000 mAh battery, with support for 45-watt wired charging and 15-watt wireless charging. While the battery size and charging speeds remain unchanged, Samsung has optimized its software to enhance power efficiency and extend battery life. For those who have been waiting for a fresh aesthetic before purchasing the Galaxy S25 Ultra, this new color might be the perfect reason to finally make the switch. Samsung has a history of introducing new color options a few months after launch to maintain interest in its flagship models. If this trend continues, the new black variant could be arriving soon, potentially in select markets first before expanding to other regions. The biggest question now is whether this new color will be a limited edition offering or a permanent addition to the lineup. In the past, Samsung has introduced exclusive colors through its official online store, meaning this variant could follow a similar strategy. If that's the case, it might not be available in all regions or through every carrier, making it a highly sought-after model. If you've been considering the Galaxy S25 Ultra or waiting for a new look, this could be your chance. While Samsung has yet to confirm an official release date, the teaser suggests that it won't be long before we see this new shade hit the market. What are your thoughts? Do you like the idea of another black variant, or would you prefer Samsung to introduce bolder, more vibrant color options? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated on all the latest tech news. More updates are coming soon. See you in the next video. The new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has just been unveiled, and the question everyone's asking is whether it's really worth upgrading from the Galaxy S24 Ultra or if sticking with last year's model makes more sense. With subtle changes, the Galaxy S25 Ultra brings a fresh take on the flagship design while keeping its core features. But do these updates justify the price tag, or is it better to save by going with the older model? When it comes to design, Samsung has introduced a more rounded body, flat glossy sides, and a titanium coating, which gives the S25 Ultra a sleek, premium look. The phone feels more comfortable in the hand thanks to these changes, though some people feel the new design might make it look more like other smartphones on the market, losing some of its uniqueness. That said, it still comes with the signature features we've come to expect from Samsung's flagship devices, such as the S Pen, IP68 water and dust resistance, and dual speakers. It's also thinner and lighter than the previous model, giving it a more refined feel. The S25 Ultra is available in a range of new colors, including pink gold, jet black, and jade green, with some options exclusive to Samsung's official store. Looking at the display, Samsung has made only a few minor tweaks. The S25 Ultra and its predecessor both feature the dynamic AMOLED 2X display, known for its vibrant colors and deep contrast. Both phones also support a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth visuals. The S25 Ultra screen is slightly larger at 6.9 inches due to slimmer bezels, but the difference is so small that it won't make much of an impact on everyday use. The glass protecting the screen is Gorilla Glass, making it more durable and resistant to scratches. The fingerprint scanner and face recognition continue to work well, offering reliable and secure unlocking. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra packs the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which is built on a 3-nanometer process. Samsung and Qualcomm have promised significant performance improvements, with up to 30% faster CPU speeds, 37% better GPU performance, and 40% faster neural processing unit capabilities. While these numbers are impressive, the real difference will depend on how well the device handles real-world tasks. The phone also includes a larger vapor cooling chamber, which should help maintain performance under heavy use. As for memory, the S25 Ultra offers 12 GB of RAM, and storage options go up to 1 TB, providing plenty of space for apps, photos, and videos. The S25 Ultra runs on Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7, which brings several new features like live notifications and an enhanced AI tool for multitasking. While these additions are exciting, it's worth noting that they might also be available for the Galaxy S24 Ultra through software updates, narrowing the gap between the two models. Samsung's 7-year software support guarantee means both devices will receive updates for years to come, ensuring they stay up to date. In terms of the camera, the S25 Ultra retains the same impressive setup as the S24 Ultra. It has a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 10-megapixel 3x zoom lens, a 50-megapixel 5x zoom lens, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The ultra-wide camera has been upgraded to 50 megapixels, which could lead to clearer and more detailed shots. Image processing is also expected to improve thanks to the new processor, though the real-world results might not be drastically different from what we saw in the previous model. The front-facing camera remains at 12 megapixels, offering excellent selfies and video calls. Battery life is another area where the S25 Ultra stays the same, featuring a 5,000 mAh battery, which is a common size for high-end smartphones. While other manufacturers are pushing for larger batteries, Samsung has stuck with this capacity, aiming to deliver solid, reliable battery performance. The question on everyone's mind is whether the new chip will improve energy efficiency, balancing performance and power consumption. Charging speeds are also unchanged, with 45-watt wired charging and support for wireless charging up to 15 watts. Unfortunately, there are no magnetic accessories, as Samsung has focused on ensuring compatibility with the S Pen. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Apple is known for its strong image processing, which means even with a single lens setup, users can expect high-quality photos. However, some people might miss additional features like an ultra-wide or telephoto lens, which are commonly found in higher-end models. As with all leaks, it's important to take this information with caution, as nothing is confirmed until Apple makes an official announcement. The iPhone 17 Air is expected to be revealed in September, so more details could emerge in the coming months. Apple has also been hinting at a new product under the Air branding. Whether this is connected to the iPhone 17 Air or something entirely different remains to be seen. If you want to stay updated on the latest tech news, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.